Yeah, so it's fucking hailing chunks right now. I feel sorry for anyone's car that isn't under a tree or in a garage. Because someone's windshield is gonna break. What's going on, Nico? What's going on, man? Look at it. I think ball hockey's canceled tonight. Holy shit. Wow. Look at it go. It is just coming down. I don't see any regular rain in this. Wow, crazy. Stay safe, people. Stay inside.